For consistent audio quality, we always strive to have consistent levels based on any audio source that might be playing at any current time on the radio station. So if you consult the meters on the board, the left-hand meter represents the program meter, or what's going on the air at any given moment. We shoot to have a negative 12 decibel level peak for any audio source that's coming through. That means the peak volume that pokes through should be bouncing around the negative 12 mark here. If anything is different than that, meaning an audio source such as different people on different microphones or maybe music coming through various sources, we need to make adjustments to the fader levels to account for that. If music is coming through too quietly, we need to boost up and make sure that those peaks are poking around negative 12. And if they are too hot and bumping into the red, we need to reduce them so that the peak is again around negative 12 based on any one thing that is coming through the board at any time.